So we have a great example of spring dead spot. The thing about spring dead spot is this: it actually starts in the fall of the year. If we have a wet fall, you're most likely going to have spring dead spot in your warm season grasses. It is a fungal disease. As you can see, this area is bleached out, but the other grasses around it are actually starting to transition through the green period. How do you control spring dead spot? Well, you have to use a fungicide. I want you to read and follow the label on that fungicide. It is going to be a Lund fungicide. There's a ready to use, and there's also a liquid concentrate that you can put in a 2 or 3 gallon container. So again, read and follow the label. If you just leave it alone and don't treat it, it just gets worse. It's probably going to be multiple applications, but in the meantime, make sure that you're getting your soil tested and you're fertilizing according to your soil test analysis. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.